INFJs often seem super organized, structured, but inside an INFJ's mind is very cluttered with all of their dreams, passions, pressures, their feelings, other people's feelings. So this is how I organize my INFJ life using Notion from goals, ideas, and planning down to all my daily tasks and emotional well-being. As an INFJ, I'm prone to overwhelming myself with my own tasks. I often fill every corner of my mind with unnecessary stress from overcommitting, and eventually the pressure becomes too much, leading straight to overwhelm and, burnout. So now this is how I maintain my to-do list in Notion. I organize my tasks based on my energy levels. High energy tasks in the glorious mornings when my mindset is still fresh and ready to conquer the world. I work on tasks that demand my full attention and a lot of thinking. Medium energy tasks. After lunch, when I usually feel a little slower but still capable, I focus on routine tasks that need some mental effort. Things like replying to emails, editing, or admin work. Low energy tasks. During the late afternoons when I'm not feeling my best, I lean toward more delicate, low-stress tasks like journaling, planning, brainstorming, or reading. By separating my tasks according to my energy levels, I can devote my best energy to what truly matters and give myself the grace to rest when I need it. We set goals that give us goosebumps and make our hearts flutter. Our goals are deeply aligned with our values, intuition, and the desire to create meaningful impact, whether in our own lives or in others. But because we dream big, we sometimes set expectations a little too high, which can leave us feeling overwhelmed. It's like there are fireworks in our mind. To keep things balanced, I've learned to set goals that are specific yet flexible, and I love using Notion to organize them. I set deadlines to stay on track, but always leave room for flexibility because as IMJs, we thrive in creative spaces where we can adjust and flow. Setting goals feels like having a compass that guides me, showing me where to go, and helping me stay aligned with my heart's true desires. A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken down into little steps becomes a plan, and a plan, when backed by actions, turn out those dreamy ideas into reality. INFJs are a bit like a sponge, soaking up the emotions around them. Your feelings are my feelings, and it can get tricky to tell the difference. That's why tracking my emotional well-being is essential. It helps me spot patterns in my moods and understand my emotional triggers. When I track how I'm feeling, I can uncover why I'm stressed, why I'm sad, or why I'm happy. It helps me determine if these are my own feelings or if I picked them up from others. This general practice brings clarity, allowing me to honor my feelings while letting go of what isn't mine to carry. By paying attention to my emotional well-being, I can better understand myself, maintain balance, and build a life that truly aligns with my values and my dreams. It's such a powerful tool for nurturing my sensitive, introspective soul. It reminds me to prioritize self-care and take time for emotional recovery when I need it. It's been so fulfilling to learn more about my moods and myself. I mean, look at this cute mood tracker in Notion. I absolutely adore it. It's like a little slice of joy in my day. INFJs don't just use their planners to manage time, they use them to create a sense of purpose and align in their lives. A planner helps us stay connected to our values and intuition. This perfect mix of structure and flexibility makes us feel both purposeful and in control while still leaving room for inspiration. In Notion, I go beyond simply listing tasks. I assign priorities for the week. It gives me peace of mind knowing my week ahead is planned and organized. And if I find myself overthinking, I'll overthink all the amazing, beautiful blessings making their way to me. I like to remind myself that it's going to be a really beautiful week. Sometimes just believing it and saying it out loud can make all the difference. And of course, I can't resist making my planner visually pleasing. I love soft colors and cute icons. It's more fun. Habit tracking is a little gift for INFJs. It perfectly aligns with their love for structure, growth, and self-reflection. INFJs are deeply driven by their desire to improve themselves and live intentionally. Tracking habits allows them to see tangible progress and make adjustments as needed. While INFJs love planning, they sometimes struggle with follow-through. Habit tracking provides a clear framework to keep them on track without feeling overwhelmed. Naturally introspective, INFJs enjoy understanding their patterns. Habit tracking offers insights into what's working, what's not, and why, like noticing that skipping breakfast totally wrecks their energy levels. Lastly, habit tracking reduces overthinking, a major win for INFJs' minds, and there's just something so satisfying about checking off those little boxes. And that's how I organize my INFJ life in Mission. I hope this inspires you to create a system that works for you, whether you're an INFJ like me or not. What's one thing you'd love to organize in your life? Your goals, your tasks, or maybe your emotional well-being? Let me know in the comments.